What are 5 things that you should include in your I-130 marriage petition in order to avoid delays? My name is Ruth Jean, and I am an immigration lawyer practicing in the United States. Here are 5 things you must include in your I-130 to avoid delays. Proof of U.S. citizenship or green card holder status of the petitioner. A valid marriage certificate. Evidence the marriage is real. Photos, joint bills, leases, children's birth certificates can be that type of evidence. Proof that you have actually spent time with your spouse in person, if that applies. Divorce certificates or proof that prior marriages were terminated. USCIS denies cases all the time for missing documents. Don't let your case be one of those cases. And also remember that this information is solely for informational purposes and not legal advice on your case. If you are planning to file a marriage petition and you would like to consult with our office, don't hesitate to contact us at 954-278-9332, 954-278-9332. Thank you.